Hello guys, today we are going to make different animal prints. For that, first I will use Staedtler. I am using these two Staedtlers. Color of these Staedtlers are I have shown. First make the base. First I have used this light color and then I will use this dark color. And then I will wet my brush and give this water effect. Let it dry for a minute and then I will use this watercolor with this brush. Instead of watercolor you can also use Staedtler or you can also use gel pen or any type of marker. If you are comfortable with watercolor, then it will be very good. And randomly make a spots like this. You have three options to use: this one marker, watercolor or gel pen. Use any type of medium with which you are comfortable. Now I will use this Staedtler to give it some shade. After that, I will use this black Staedtler, or you can also use the graphite pencil instead of black Staedtler. make the depth of this spots. And it is ready. And this is our first animal print. Now for next, I will use this white watercolor. First I will make the base with this watercolor. Now let it dry for a minute. After that I am using this black color and make the random lines. And this is done. Now for next I am using this lead pencil to make the lines. I will make cross lines. After marking these lines, I will make the rhombus. After this, I will fill this color in these rhombus. After this I will mix these two colors, brown and little bit black color. And I will do this color in my whole box. After this I will use this black gel pen and mark the points. After this I will use this white gel pen. You can also use the poster color instead of this white gel pen. And now I will use this white pencil. And it is done. And for next we have to make base like this. As I have used these two colors to make the base. After using the Staedtler, I have used a little bit brown color. After this, you have to make the random lines like this with black color. And we have done with this all 4 animal prints. If you like my video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel for further videos.